he only trades 150Ks, but it's just like constantly doing the reps in the trading the size and the accounts you want to trade, and just practicing at trading, you know. And look at these Asia session trade. If I took that in a 50K with that amount of size, I would have cut it way earlier. Like I would have took way less profits. I wouldn't have seen the idea through.
Okay. Well, let's see what we can find, boys. We have 3 minutes until opening range is set. I'm going to lean a little short here. I'd like a little bit more of a push into the overnight VWAP on ES towards 67.20 because I like these orders down below at 6666, 6650, even 6670. Like there's nothing above. The order book above is very thin. The biggest block of contracts up there is 65 contracts. So I don't see anything heavy to pull us up there. I'm leaning into thinking the heavy is below. And how many people are going to come in and try to buy it today because it's down 100 points? And what's it going to do? Probably go down 160, 170. It's not, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Trends once established are most likely to continue. What's the trend this week? Down. Trend, at least the last 3 days is down for me. I made money short Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Yeah, so we break 66.58. We're putting in on the 15-minute. We'll be putting in a lower low.
66. Say it again, Randy.
66.58. We'll be putting in a lower low on the 15-minute.
Austin, you'd be proud of me. I traded MES yesterday for the first time
nice,
I think in over a year.
Nice,
crazy.
Randy, I don't get your level. You have to explain that.
Oh, 58? Sorry. So I got, if you on the 15-minute chart, if you look back on the 50, can you hear me?
Yeah. 55 I see is the low from like last week. Is that what you're pointing at?
November 7th, I'm saying.
Got it. Okay.
So I'm just looking at the orders. The orders on Bookmap down there at 55.
I think the counter to my trade idea here, everybody, is like we are above VWAP. Buyers are showing their hand since 936. So like having a good week, you tend to think, okay, I can just be right on every idea I have. So while I want to be short, maybe from up higher, my highest probability trade short is going to be when we're under New York VWAP. If I do anything above New York VWAP and I'm selling it up here and I lose, I'll be like, well, that wasn't what was working all week. What was working all week was being on the right side of the blue line. Speaking of the blue line, we will be making the guest speaker announcement for the Futures Bootcamp on the first week of December, everybody. So if you didn't know, Tanner and Lawrence and Randy are going to be with me and a bunch of other amazing traders in Tampa in May. And we will also be having a very special person come to a keynote event for us too. Once we announce that keynote speaker, it's going to sell out. So if you can do your research, check your flights. We got discounts at the hotel. It's a 2-day boot camp. Plenty of networking, plenty of learning, live trading, the whole thing. Try to be there. Once we make this announcement, December 4th is the day we're doing it. Tickets are going to sell out fast. In fact, let me show you guys this quick video. Yeah, we're pumped. Randy's dancing. Not today, though. Yeah. You were dancing the other day, Randy. So you can head to asfx.biz/bootcamp, everybody. I got it up on screen here, too. You can see this was last year's event. We're set to have twice. Like, we already sold enough tickets to fill this part of the room. I told the boys yesterday. We've filled this half of the room. The back half is now what we're trying to fill. So it's May 14th, 15th in Tampa, 9 to 4 both days. Everybody's going to be there, and we'll make our keynote announcement, like I said, December 4th. All the questions that you could have are all answered on the website, too. I'm not going to go through that now. So just head to the link in my bio, asfx.biz/bootcamp, and that's where everything's at. Get your ticket. You can finance it. Klarna it. Do what you got to do.
Klarna it, dude.
Klarna it. Shout out to KV for the Klarna input.
Klarning. Klarning. Randy, you good, bro? You got
the vid. Got that smokers cough over there.
I wish I smoked. Dude, no, I just
that's that cigarette. That's that cigarette.
Yeah, that's like a dirty Marlboro Red type of fucking.
Yeah,
dude, that's why he's here, bro. He's here to be our dirty smoker trader guy on the floor, just calling out the levels from the back.
Did nobody notice I didn't smoke in LA? I don't think anybody caught that.
Cigarette? No, we were too busy smoking. So
yeah,
yeah. So I mean, Tanner, you had a good read on the pop. I like that it's coming out here, opening range high, break first, so I can fade people that are going to chase
Yeah.
this breakout of opening range high. Maybe
Yeah, I'm
I
I'm not convinced of this long
no. Okay,
I had
at
a good
all.
level at the open. That's why we overshot the 650 level on Qs. So that was my try there. My stab.
Yep.
And then like just as we push into 800, like I said, like back to green, I'm just gonna chill for a second. And it's hard when you trade the open like that because part of me wanted to hold it here into VWAP for Qs because we're literally testing NQ VWAP. But also I was like, dude, I don't need to be greedy. I just got like a insane boner candle right off the open.
Right.
Like
You
I'll
take
just
that. No,
take
you
it.
take
And I'm
it.
back to green now too. So because I'm getting really close to going back to live with top one. My account's at
Nice.
161,000. And based on the consistency that I've been doing, I need to get to 163,500. And then I'm going to take a $3,500 payout and then go back to live with a 10K account.
Cool.
Nice.
Nice.
My game plan I've been
And a
doing.
quick question for you: when you say like you're looking at the level on NQ at 650, that overshoot, what were you looking at 650? Like, was it something on the higher time frame?
Yeah, it's always higher time frame based. So everything I look for comes from higher time frames. So if you want to pull up my screen actually real quick.
I just put a short on there, everybody. I'll pass it to you now, Tanner.
Yeah.
I'm short here just off this overnight VWAP. I wanted to show you everybody the opening range size today is like 36 points. It's pretty big. So I'm sized down in the trade and I'm also giving it a 15-point stop. You got to give it a bigger stop when the range is bigger. I'm not waiting for a turn here because I'm worried it's not going to give it. The orders down below on Bookmap just are heavy. So I'm in with a stop at right now it's at 38.
Yeah, I think that's a decent size stop. I was going to say because this looks like
this is a rip stick
a
right
little
now.
bit more higher.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this might go for prior day low. You might just get run over. I'm not gonna lie, but we'll see.
What makes you think
What makes I think you'll get run over? I don't know. We're just ripping hard.
ripping
trying
hard
to-
higher or lower?
Higher.
I'm sorry. You say you're going short?
Yeah, I'm short.
Oh yeah, we're just ripping higher. So, for this level though, Randy. So whenever I look for levels, they always come from the daily time frame, like bigger picture, or the 4 hour, or like the hourly. Sometimes, mainly daily and 4 hour. And it's just basically a bunch of touch points, right? And overshoots of certain areas. So like we overshot the low here from Friday, and then right below it here, multiple touch points here, here, here. So it's like, and here, back here even, right? And then you got the body close here if you want to extend this back further. And you got right here, right? So this is just an area where price is transacted.
You spend a lot of time with Tory trades here.
It's no, they're not sideways. They're horizontal. You know, they're straight lines, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, that's how I look for levels. Is I'm just like, okay, like price has been here a lot, and when we come revisit it, it's like I don't know how much it's gonna bounce or whatever. But here, look at the open. Look how beautiful this is, right? We come, we bounce, we overshoot, and then we reclaim. So right on the reclaim here, literally, this took like a micro time frame to see it. But I basically was watching kind of just like this and the reclaim here, got long here, and then just put my stop simply right here, super tight, my classic little tight stop scenario. And as we ripped here into 800, I took it off. So that's where my levels come from, always big picture. And I just look for reactions there.
Are you using round numbers when you're looking at those levels? Like usually a 50 or a
it tends
like
to
a
be like,
psychological?
price will gravitate towards them because that's the thing too. You'll get overshoot. So it's like I kind of try to see like where is it transacted the most. Like here you can see it overshot a little bit. Here kind of overshot a little bit. But for the most part, it's all pretty much around here. And I kind of just draw it sideways and see where it goes. And so what does this equate to, right? It's like 655. You know, it's not exactly 650, but I give it a little bit of breathing room there. But that's how I find my level all the time. So there's your education.
You might have sniped this top, Austin.
Yeah, right there. Now it's looking a little better here.
Well, I mean, it's right off overnight VWAP, so we'll see if it'll hold.
Yeah, this is a good one. But dude, the VWAP, a trade yesterday on MES. Do you see that? The rejection. That's the trade that I took.
Yeah,
that was fucking. If you got short there and held it for some reason overnight, God, dude, that would have been a bajillion points.
We got long to that VWAP and then shorted the VWAP after. Like I'm pretty sure Austin took the same trades as me long and then went short.
The handoff.
Did you buy your ticket to Traders for a Cause yet, Tanner?
No, 9 a.m.
Well, you should take that picture and bring it and have Tori sign it.
I will. Absolutely. I will. Yep, 9 a.m.
Bro, we had yesterday on stream. Did I tell you this, Tanner, about the guy that was like, if Evan was a girl, I'd marry him?
Yeah. Conservative.
Die.
Not conservative.
Lawrence, some guy in the chat, he was like, yeah, Evan's so conservative. If he was a woman, I would marry him.
Damn, dude, this thing is pretty relentless ripping right now.
YM's headed for session lows here.
I know why. Well, YM was really strong and like kind of just broke all-time highs not too long ago. So I think they wanted to finally trap everyone up there, and then now they want to start slowly distributing.
Whoa. Who's they, bro?
I don't even know, dude. I wish I could tell you.
I like
it's always them.
It's always them. Yeah,
so the only time I use they, them.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, so let's take a look here. NASDAQ. Interesting. It is, yeah, YM, we could see, looks a little bit worse there on the daily chart. Looks a little more violent.
I just think it has more room to drop.
Yeah, I like my stop on this idea. I'm not super heavy on it. I want to see if it'll play around this VWAP. I got the stop, like I said, up at 38, everybody. So my target on this is New York VWAP. You have to target New York VWAP. So unfortunately, the longer that I stay in this trade and New York VWAP comes higher, the shittier profit I'm going to get, because first take profit on this has to be New York VWAP. You don't know if it's going to cut the VWAP and continue lower. What probably could happen is it comes back to VWAP and then bounces back to my entry. So you want to take something there.
And that's good you pointed that out, because if you look that out, 6,700 pre-market, that was two price rejected off that twice to the downside. Now we've broken 6,700 to the top side. So I would be, if I was in a short, I'd be looking for to take profit at 6,700, which is basically New York VWAP.
Yeah.
Because that's where we could see a bounce. Now this could have flipped from resistance to support.
I just hope my stop gives, like, based on the volatility today, my stop and my size should give me enough space to really like give this the breathing space it needs, because it is moving today. A 36-point opening range. I think this is our biggest opening range on ES all week.
Yeah, this is fat. I think we're gonna have to wait for 10 a.m. reversal time. See if we get the reversal. I think that's
kind of 10 a.m. juice for me at 7 minutes.
Juice.
You're either gonna get a potential dump where you're like, here we go, cool, it's dumping, or that's gonna be the last trap, and then we're gonna rip higher. So VIX is straight down, obviously, because we're just pushing straight up. God, this thing is just a ripper, dude.
Well, yesterday we had a 30-point opening range, right? And then we had the sell-off coming into it, and then a bounce right off of the New York Open up to the opening range high, basically, and the daily VWAP, and then a rejection off of that down again.
Yeah, my trades yesterday were nasty, bro. I had a really good read. Because Lawrence, I caught this long on this New York VWAP break. 35. I closed it at overnight VWAP here, and then I got short. So today could end up looking similar to that. I got short here after that when it came under VWAP. Where like today, I'm short up here on this idea, and I'm going to take profit here.
Yeah.
On this idea. That's what this is going to be. But that's what you're talking about, right, Tanner? When you said the ES VWAP rejection, you're talking about this right here at like 10:15 yesterday.
Yeah, literally, that was the short. And I tried a few trades before that, and I kind of got chopped up. And I was like, but why I took ES yesterday was because on SPY we hadn't tested the 21 period moving average yet, but Qs we were already there. I use 21 period moving average on the daily and 200. Those are really the only two I mainly watch. So I have them on my chart, and they always act as magnets. So like when we were pulling back towards the 21 on SPY, but we had already tested it on Qs. So just, I guess, visually for the chart, I was like, you know what? I like this getting kind of magneted towards the 21. Magneted. I don't even know if that's a word. I know. It's a magnet towards the level. So basically, that's why I took that short there, and just played out so beautifully too. And then I also took it with some SPX puts. Oh, but since I was already since the day before, I had a really shitty day on Wednesday. I was like, you know what? I'm not going to be greedy with these SPX puts. I'm going to sell it here. And I only have one contract. It was like I paid $800 for it. I made $800 basically on it. So I made 100%, which was nice. But I was like, I had a feeling. I was like, this thing might rip, dude, and just keep going. But whatever. Lock in the gains. Have the green day. Nice. And the contract eventually went from, I sold it at 13, I think, or 14. And the contract went to 50. Wow. So I was like, oh my God, dude, I would have made like 4K on one contract or some shit. That's insane. Wow. Yeah. So
is anyone in the chat selling options, trading options? I'm curious. Because that's good that you can take advantage of those ideas in multiple markets, bro. It's very advanced of you.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm happy I'm finally at that point now, because I don't trade options every day anymore. I'm trading them how you're supposed to finally be doing it. Like you see a really good setup and you're like, oh, cool, let's send it. You know, so I'm really like saving like any risk, where before just every day I'm like, okay, you know, let me find a random name and play and try to trade it, right? Versus now it's just like, I'm like, oh no, this has edge here. I'm gonna fucking take this. I need to take this on another account, let it do its thing. And that's been a great way to utilize both, but I don't want to flip flop back and forth too much.
For sure. Let me hit you. Yeah. The short yesterday for me, Tanner, like I didn't take it up there. I was in at 26, out at 19, and then now we're at, it's crazy. We're like literally 100 points lower. It's crazy. In one overnight session for ES.
Yeah. This is
here. Check this out.
Yeah, what was the drivers? Was there any drivers for the sell-off last night? Did I miss something?
We're in a bear market, Randy.
Yeah, we're just correcting. I don't think there's been no news the whole week. We're supposed to have.
What I mean. That's why I was like,
let's get a billionaire's opinion on this. I was talking about this pre-market. So this guy Howard Marks, it's worth 2.2 billion. He runs Oak Tree Capital Management. He says when you buy S&P at 23x price to earnings ratio, your 10-year return is between plus or minus 2% every single time because of inflation. He thinks that and with us at 25x PE, he thinks we're fucked. So he's buying long-term treasuries, which in the dot-com bubble, treasuries went up 40 to 45%. The NASDAQ fell 78%. I don't know if we're at that point, but Michael Burry closing his hedge fund down at like market all-time highs is pretty interesting too.
Yeah, that's really, I don't know, dude. I can't be a fear monger.
No, you can't be a fear monger, but at the same time, not to be fear monger, serious credit card delinquencies, which is unpaid balances at least 90 days, are at the highest in 14 years. Think about the mindset of someone who is 90 days late. They're never paying that. They're not paying at all. So like to have that mindset of people, the quantity of people that think in that mindset and operate under like, hey, it's 90 days late, I'm not fucking paying. It's growing. It's growing. So that's not a great sign. No matter how you try to swing at it. That's not good. No.
Yeah.
But we live in a credit economy. So how long can it go?
For sure.
Right. Right.
That's true.
I'd like these orders
90% of all money. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
No, go ahead. No, what were you going to say?
90% of all money is bank credit.
Right. You give the bank 100, they loan out 100,000.
Yeah.
Randy, what are you in? You doing anything? You're quiet.
Quiet, bro. I'm chilling, man. I'm just listening.
All right.
I feel
we got 10 a.m. coming up here. 30 seconds. Let's see if we get should get some sort of reversal here in the next like 5 to 10 minutes. We don't just go straight up.
We don't just go straight up.
50, I think when I took
we'll get some sort of pullback. We might continue to go straight up, but we might get.
We need a montage of Tanner today. I take the trade. He tells me I'm getting run over. Now I'm going to get my pullback. We need a montage of Tanner calling the market.
I'm a day trader, bro. I'm riding it like a goddamn wave.
I'm riding it like a wave.
Tanner's been spending all week with his fun girlfriend, the Asian session.
Yeah, where you going, dude?
She's just been torturing him.
Dude. I was so heated on Wednesday night from just trading so bad. I texted her. I was like, hey, no dinner tonight. I just need to be by myself. I swear to God, I did. She's like, okay. And I was like, it's nothing with you. I'm just a dumbass and did something stupid trading. And I need to like go meditate and just chill.
This week, the comments in this chat are killing me, bro. You just told your girlfriend, I'm trading like shit, so we got to eat air for dinner tonight. I'm dead, bro. I am dead. I'm not breathing anymore. This is ridiculous.
Correct.
Well, let me take that a step further. I'll give you a funny story. This morning, I wake up at 6. I go to the bathroom. Kid's waking up while I'm in the bathroom, so I can't go get him. I'm texting Riley, can you go get him? Because he's screaming. Like not just normal awake, he's screaming. She's still sleeping. She don't go get him. So then I got dirty ass, half cleaned ass. I got to run upstairs and get the kid. Go in the room, blood all over his face. Nosebleed, dry room. He's blood all over the face. So my ass is like half wiped. I take the kid. I go into her. Now I go downstairs. I'm like, she might be asleep. I need help right now because I got to wipe my ass and this kid's face. Put the kid on the counter, wiping his face, cleaning him up. She gets up. After he's all cleaned up and shit, she goes back to sleep. Me and Leo go out in the living room, and then literally 20 minutes later, 4 dudes show up in my driveway. I see them on the camera because I got dudes in the basement finishing my gym this weekend. So then I got to go down there and talk to them. So that's how I woke up this morning. Didn't even have my coffee, and all that happened today.
Damn.
Yeah.
So what was the nosebleed from? Just dry. Just dry.
Yeah, just dry. He was
dry-
sick
dry
this
it.
week, and I think we didn't have his dehumidifier running last night, and then boom.
Oh my god, that reminds me of the fucking South Park clip. You know what?
His first
Randy,
real
you know.
nosebleed, Randy. You know, Lawrence, first real kid, like blood all over the mouth, and he's just got
It's
it
a
on his hands. He's like,
massacre.
ah, he's just screaming like he's killed
Oh
someone.
my
He's like,
goodness.
what is
massacre.
going on? I asked him, I go, Leo, does
massacre.
the blood taste nasty? He goes, yes.
Yeah, with a big smile on his face.
Yeah, yes.
Yes. That's funny.
So now, if you see, they moved these orders up, Randy, to 6,700, which is right
Yeah.
here at New York VWAP. So we might have to bail on this thing when it retests that. Buyers are making a fair stand, but so this VWAP, if they do come off this VWAP like yesterday, this is the hold of it here. So it should
I think
start moving.
YM's going to eat shit, which is going to cause ES to get weak. So I think you're gonna be chilling.
Okay.
This YM is so weak. Everything is
Yeah.
pumped. This hasn't done anything, bro.
But
I know-
YM didn't have much of a move down yesterday either. Like it was weird watching YM trade yesterday. It was
It
kind
just trades so differently. The
and
index,
everything else.
think about it.
There was a sell off.
The reason it's going to move differently, YM weights the stocks in the index by their stock price. The NASDAQ and the ES, they weigh the stocks by market cap, which seems much more logical. That's why YM just does its own thing all the time. It's crazy because it's just
Interesting.
weighted completely differently.
Yeah. It's yeah. YM can be tricky, bro. When you're first start learning how to trade the different indices, it's definitely something you got to get used to because they just act so different. Just all of them.
So Tanner, you went live
Yeah.
today on Vertical, and Luke in the chat is saying, "Are we on Meta Glasses or something?" So you can change it if you want, Tanner. They open that up on StreamYard where like you can go live on YouTube, but then it like moves us instead of on the side of the screen, it moves us.
Yeah, I can. So I see everything. I see that on the left hand side, but
Yeah.
it was like it said it does both. So you could,
Yeah,
like,
it does
people can
both.
flip-flop.
It does both. So if he goes to
Yeah.
your page, you should be able to see it on both.
Yeah, people can see both. Dude, I think I might take this YM short, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty interested in this.
Yeah,
I just don't know
YM's
how long I'm going to
big
be in
well.
this, Tanner. For me on ES, bro, if this doesn't slice through 6704.05, I'm getting out there. Like I'm taking 10 points on this and I'm out.
Yeah.
And I'll get in. And then if it comes lower, I'll short it again. But I need it to come to do something there. I can't.
This is really the
can't let it
first
come
break
to
back
VWAP
above the
again.
overnight.
Mhm.
This is still first break of opening range, Randy.
Yeah,
So this is still a fade of first. There's people in theory, chasing a breakout long here, and I'm fading them trying to get back to VWAP. But like I said 10 minutes ago, this VWAP just keeps coming higher and higher, which keeps killing my risk reward, kind of. You know,
that's
'cause
what I was
gotta
going to say. VWAP's going to be outside of the opening range high soon.
Right. And
Yeah,
that's
this
still great.
this
That's still a
YM's
good
gonna-
little win for me if it pins back to VWAP.
Let's see.
The most I can make in this account would be 66.93. Because I can't make more than 600 on these. These are instant fundeds with top one futures. I don't know why you guys are at Top Step with the 150K combines. You gay boys with combines, instant funded or nothing.
I'm trading all of it,
Especially-
dude. You know,
Yeah,
I am.
I'm waiting for the big news coming out next week with TOF.
With top one.
I'll be reeing up. I'll be reeing up on the new news. So I'm just waiting. Black Friday's coming, guys. Like I said, man, we got to get our wads ready to blow here. So
Wads ready to blow.
there'll be sales every guys and girls. Sorry, I shouldn't have said it.
Yeah, girls, blow that wad. Pull that wad out for Randy. Randy, once you pull that WAP out.
There'll be-
Wop.
There'll be sales everywhere.
I'm short YM. I never take low day breaks, so I might regret this, but I just
Everybody in the chat, ASFX TV chat, we're doing our free giveaway after these trades. So just hang out. I'm putting the sheet there. If you're watching on YouTube, Friday we stream for free for everybody, but ASFX TV members, they get priority questions. They get everything priority. They also get the free giveaway. So if you want the free giveaway, you got to sign up for ASFX TV. Everybody else, put your name on the list. And we'll duck race this thing. These orders below on ES are heavy.
Yeah,
Tanner.
At
Right
10 at 6,700. It's crazy. Who was I talking to yesterday? And they're making fun of me, saying, "Are we headed back for the?" I think it was Nick Jocelyn saying, "Are we headed back for the 666s?" And where were we almost today? Like,
There was a shit ton of orders down there. They're still there. That's still the heaviest block on the book is 6666, the 4 6s.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Let's put Tanner on screen.
I don't like it,
Tanner-
bro. Don't put me on screen. I don't like this. I don't
Tanner,
like
YM sitting on previous week's value area low. That's kind of where price is sitting. So there's definitely a level there.
I'm going against my normal I never short low a day type of deal, but it's only because this is so weak. I'm trying it, but if this fails, I'm never gonna short low a day again ever.
So where would you get out at structure or at the New York VWAP?
Oh no, I'm going for fucking for my stop. My stop's
Yeah.
just above structure here.
Yeah.
Right here. But my target is the fucking boat, dude.
It's funny, Tanner. When I
Liquidity.
got short, you were like worried I'd get run over. But now looking at your trade, I look at it and I'm go, you're not going to get run over. You're trading with trend. Like to me, the short is the trend. Could you
He's got
still
VWAP alignment. He's below.
Yeah, he's got
everything.
VWAP alignment. It's more
No, I know. I just I'd hate shorting low a day. This is like what I don't do. But this is so weak versus
Randy,
how
pull
everything else is.
this guy a book map. Give this guy a book map. Where's YM on a book
Is there a YM book map? Yeah, give me anything. Give me anything.
Look, bro, I'm being serious. Look at
I know.
ES. Look at the 6710. That's 6 points lower. Look at, I'm not a fucking rocket scientist. I'm just reading the heat map and the COB. So like, I'm sure YM has something similar to this.
It might be slow, but I feel like this will slowly die.
This trade is not giving me any information. If anything, Randy, I know you'll agree with me. What I think this trade's telling me so far is that my stop loss was correct to give it plenty of space. On the 30-point open range, you got to go with a big 20-point stop.
And honestly, I feel like this is going to want to tip over here.
Well, the longer it goes sideways, I think we all start to think that way, but that doesn't mean that it won't go higher. But I still think we are with trend. And again, same situation for yesterday. If we take New York VWAP, when we get to 6,700, the flags go up. We are full VWAP alignment to the downside. We're under previous day. We're under overnight. We're under today. So it's full view. So then it's free fall. If it wants to be, that's the probability thing for it to go lower at that point. And that would be filling these orders at 6,700. And then look, there's still more at 6,666. Like I would not be surprised if we end the day down for new lows at 6,666 because it's just the heaviest block. I'm just saying what I see on Bookmap until they pull those off. They pull those off, then what I said changes.
This is just so slow. I just don't like how slow this is.
I've been in this since 950, bro. Don't talk to me.
Yeah, but part of the reason ES is so slow is because YM's slow. That's why.
I'm short at 67.16.
If you want the juice, you got to trade NQ. It's just what it is.
For sure.
Yeah.
Always. Every time.
Every time.
Every time, bro.
Delta's negative 7,000, Randy. How is this thing not tipping over? Negative 7,000 Delta, and it's above New York VWAP. That's so
And the
strange.
Delta was declining on the move up. So again, like I don't know what exactly is that telling us, but
Don't let it wear you out. That's what it tells me. It'll go. You just got to let it do its thing first.
I don't know, bro. I feel like they're fucking buying this shit.
Then
right.
Then bail, bro. Take your loss before it's full. Yeah, yours is coming up. I see it looks good. You have a tighter stop than me too. Like we have different theses in play here.
Yeah, I mean, this is still a big stop, dude. This is like 100 points, over 100 points in YM.
Yeah, I mean, mine's big too. 20 points for me on ES is big.
Yeah. Let's see. I'll just let it do its thing. I mean, 'cause at least I have a little bit of a cushion. If I'm wrong in this trade, I'm only gonna be down $200. So
Then what are we worried about? It's sim money anyway, dude.
well, it's gonna turn into real money, but yes.
Yeah, I want that pre-live account, dude, like Zach has. I want them daily payouts. When I'm running all these green days, I need them daily payouts.
I just don't like that I shorted low a day. I never do that. It's just not my thing. And this is going to prove to me why it's not my thing, and I'm never going to do it again.
I love you, dude. I fucking love trading with you. I hope this thing just sucks lower so hard, bro. We had a couple of trades this week, bro. We're like Randy will tell you. I took the trade, Chad will tell you, and it literally within 2 minutes, I timed it twice this week perfectly. I hope we can get one of those where it just boom, and you're good. I love low a day breaks, man. Whew, I'm gonna take them every time, motherfucker.
Oh God, let's see.
This is everybody. This is if we're on the trading floor. I'm throwing stuff at Tanner. Hold your fucking line. Defend your fucking thesis. Take your loss. Don't be afraid. You're taking a fair entry. It's part of the game. What could you do different, bro? You could control your position size. You could have traded it smaller so you'd care less if you lose. That's the only thing you could say. It's still valid.
What do you
Yeah.
trade? Would you put go in 5 minis?
No, I'm trading one YM, just one contract. It's literally small.
Go to micros.
I could, yeah, but
Yeah.
YM, I don't really trade
I
micros
could,
with YM. No. I only trade micros really with MNQ. That's it.
I'd be lying if I was saying I didn't want to add. I want to add so bad just so I can get out at 67.06 and just get fucking $600 off of that, hit my max profit. I just don't know if it's going to cut. Let's see. Here we go.
If we get back below 40, I'll add on this if we get back below this 47,000.
You see here, everybody. Look at 67.10. Watch that fill and then watch 6,700. Look, Delta's negative 9,000.
Here comes VWAP for NQ. Come on, YM. Just die. Just fucking die, dude. Just give us the death candle.
Especially with the all three indices like in alignment overnight. I'm surprised why I'm sitting sideways as much as it is right now.
Well, sometimes it does this, and then it will finally get its legs going and start running.
Come on, take these 10s.
Let's go. Come on. Die more. Through VWAP, we got to get through VWAP and NQ here.
Okay, Randy, it's taking the 10. You see it?
Oh, I'm short 20 micros from 67.15.
I thought you said
micros.
16.
Big
said
dog.
16 the first time.
Big dog.
Well, I added into the position. I was originally just short 10.
That's what I thought. All right, there it goes. Now 67.10 is filled. Now let's see 60.
To me.
Come on.
Okay, it just added for me. I'll move my stop down a little bit.
Everybody's so like it's
Everyone's like, "Fuck it, are we gonna?
Yeah, I'm trying to see.
Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it?
something. Break, come on, man.
Are we
Listen,
gonna get the flush?"
I'm out.
Bro.
I'm out full. I took the win.
Nice.
Right above VWAP. If it
Nice.
takes VWAP, I'll short it again today. But I sat in that for long enough.
700.
Yeah, it's
I
right.
want to see if it's going to slice through.
Yeah, I know, me too. But I'd rather just I'm worried it's going to bounce a little bit. My gut says bounce, so I'm just saying.
I know my gut says that too. I think YM actually might die. I think it might die. It just slow because we just rejected New York VWAP on YM for DIA on that pop at the low a day. So that's good. It's a good sign.
If this holds, I'm going to buy it, boys. I'm just telling you, I might buy it.
Do not.
Do not. Yes, do not.
Short it. Add to the sim orders for the order flow to bring it lower.
I have to trade the VWAP that I see. All right, so I caught 67.17 to 67.10, everybody. That was the first trade of the day for me.
Please dump here.
Please dump.
Please dump. Just
We're begging the market to do what we want it to do.
it's edging me on my my entry right here. I'm getting edged on the entry. God damn it, dude! It's gonna pop.
Yeah, New York VWAP is out of opening range. I said it on stream, everybody. I said I got to do something when we get near VWAP, so I had to. Even if I leave money on the table, I'll get in another short. But I'm out. Take the win, especially after sitting in chop for 30 minutes. I'll take it. It's been buyers in control, so if I'm holding on to a sell, I start to feel like I'm hoping.
Fuck.
I like that breakdown, Austin. It's very nice. Makes a lot of sense.
Bro.
No, it's all good, man.
Yeah. My discretion has been good this week. So even though we're all sitting here talking, if I feel something, I'm going to act on it. I'm going to close the trade because I know if it pins here and I don't get out here, I'm going to be like, what the fuck, bro? I've been waiting for this trade to get to VWAP. And I said VWAP's coming up. And what do you not like about it? You don't like that it fucks up your risk reward, but the market doesn't care about your risk reward. The market's pulling VWAP higher. Buyers are showing their hand today. What do you want me to do? Hold on to a short all day on a Friday like an idiot? You know what I mean? So then I got to do something. That's the thought process. I got to do something. Even if I leave money on the table, I'd rather take a small win than be pissed at myself.
Yeah.
All right, so let me throw this in here. Boys, keep us updated on your trades. Tell us if you're doing anything. Randy adding.
Make me confused.
I'm gonna draw down.
I'm going to switch to a different group of accounts too, or just a solo account. If I take another trade, I think I'm just going to take that green.
Fucked. I'm fucked.
Yeah, because now look at it. It looks like a beautiful bounce off of VWAP.
God damn it, dude.
Sorry.
Never shorting low day, bro. Can't do it. Can't fucking do it.
Yeah, I think this is just one of those days we can stop trying to outsmart the market and just go with it.
Buyers. Buyers are in control for since open now. Showing a good hand. And 67.30, Randy, getting heavy. Are you holding into it, Randy? What are you doing?
Yeah, I wanted to see it make a new high, and then I'll look to my stops at 33.50.
Fuck the market. Fucking whack, dude.
I love you, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not laughing at you. I just like.
I'm just annoyed because I'm like, I don't short low a day. Why'd I do that?
Then you got to
Yeah,
ask
finding
yourself
this
why you did
valuable.
that.
I know we talk a lot of shit, everybody, but I hope you find it
Yeah.
valuable to hear everybody's different. Like you can see people taking the same trade. Some make money, some don't. Right? Different theses playing out. My reaction, his reaction. Like you see it all, right? I hope you guys find value in that. Did we make any money on the short? JJ's up 942 with the short. Kevin said, "What's Lawrence in?" I don't think he's in anything.
Yeah, no, I'm not. This doesn't. I don't see anything that's worth getting into. Just, I mean, the long, yeah, but for me, it's just like, where do I enter?
Right.
Yeah, I'm going to be cooked here in a sec. Once we
Yep.
take these 30s.
It's such a nice pullback to view up an NQ there, dude. So nice.
So my short here was short off overnight VWAP, looking for New York VWAP as target. Stop because opening range is 35 points. Okay. All right. Chat, we'll do our giveaway here in a minute too. Shout out to Lawrence. 2 weeks ago, you inspired me with a run trade a day. Ever since that, I became profitable. Hey, yo.
Nice,
Love that.
Love that.
nice.
Lance got
Love to
590
hear
bucks on 0 DTEs. Nice. Chat, are we flat then? I don't see a lot of answers in the chat on P&L. Gerard's long YM. I'm out break even on a similar short. Switched long, made 1.5K. Nice, Michael. Nice. I think my short was definitely, you're fighting New York VWAP, right? So when we fight New York VWAP, it's harder. I think my exit is the key of this trade. You can't be unemotional, or you have to be unemotional about it. You can't be like, oh, it's finally moving, it's going to cut. You have to react. Just like that question, Randy, you posed to me yesterday in the chat. Chat, we can conversate about this. This is a good talking point. When you take a trade and it goes near your stop loss and it edges your stop loss and then comes back to entry, what do you do? Similar situation here. I'm fighting the VWAP. I've been in the trade. It goes to my target, but the target's now moved up. What do? Do you hope and hold on, or do you just cut it and take what the market's giving you, find another trade? All right, Sean was in the short, got 150 back. Sharif plus 400, 520 for Fit Trader. What's up, Matt? Craig got in way too early on the short, managed the trade. Nice. Still short, missed the exit. New York VWAP. Oh, Benny, I'm going to punch you. JJ flat. Sean flat. Okay, good. Addie's flat. Sean's back to break even. Good. This is now forming a pretty clear range up here. We see this, right, everybody? Like it has not moved really since it broke out of opening range high.
Patience.
So, just to show this here, because I got to show it all the time. Transparency matters. Here's the calendar. These are the fresh 50Ks I just started. Since Ignites were running last week, I didn't start the 50Ks until this week. But now they're up 671. These need to get to 3,000. So a little less than a third done. So I would think that it's possible for me to get a payout within the next 2 weeks on these accounts. But now these three that are really, really good, I probably won't even trade these today. I'm just going to leave these alone. Only need $1,000. I can do it next week. And I'm going to take, if anything else, another trade in this account. Because this account's basically Tanner and Lawrence. Look at this. I've been trading it for 10 days, but because I took max loss here and I had to claw it back without breaking the consistency rule, I'm up $92 in 10 days, bro. So I make $10 a day on this.
Grinding it out, dude.
You
You got to set that daily loss limit a little lower, bro.
Dude, I said my daily loss limit on the Ignites is 750 and my max win is 375. It's twice. I give myself 2 full shots.
Well, how come we just had $1,000 there? $1,000 loss.
That maybe it's at 1,000 or let's see. Do I have it even set on these accounts? Nope, not even set on this one.
Yeah.
Nope, not even on this one. So yeah, I'm taking full loss on that, $1,000, and then the max win is 370 or 380. Yep. It's a con to negative risk reward, I guess, in a way, but it works for me. I took a payout already this month on it. I tried to just avoid these days. I think what like a good example of it, Tanner, would be like this day where I take a loss first and then I come back and get it back to a small red day. That's what keeps me alive. It's the big red days that then I just fucking Like let's say if I would have lost another day this week after that minus 900 day, I would just fuck this account. I'd just get another one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially because the ignites were so cheap.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now unbiased, Randy, are you out?
No, I'm still in.
All right, I'm gonna buy it, Randy. I'm sorry.
No, it's all good, man. I don't.
The long looks
Oh.
good. I mean, yeah, long looks pretty good.
I like the stop. Randy, what has it not done? It has not gone back into opening range yet. Okay, I'll buy it. Give me anything more up into these orders above is my thought. But if you want to go back to opening range, I'll take the exit there. Like there's a hot block of orders at 6,700. Like it could go back there. I would cut the trade probably before that. Probably at VWAP. But it's above overnight VWAP now. So what's stopping us from drifting into 42?
Yeah, no.
This consolidation chop is just really hard to get involved in any trade now. So I'm just sitting.
I am just flipped. Tanner, you're obviously out of your trade then?
Yeah, it stopped me out. I'm down 500 on the day.
That's nothing, bro.
Yeah, you'll get it
Nothing.
back.
I know. I'm just frustrated that I went against.
Trade.
I'm just frustrated. I went against what I know not to short low a day.
It's Randy's fault. It's Randy's fault.
It is,
Well,
dude. It's fucking Randy, bro.
I didn't say short shit. Come on now.
Dude, you were intimidating all of us to short it. I'm just lucky I got out of it.
Dude,
green.
I'm gonna go
It's all
smoke a Marlboro. I'll be right back.
Yeah, right. Chat, we're gonna do our duck race in a minute here. We've got a bunch of names already in. I'll give you one more call, ASFX TV people. Take a whack at it. Get your name on the list, and then we'll do that. I'm not in this long. I'm flat right now. But Randy, if these orders are algos and they get pulled, there's going to be nothing down there at 6,700, which does not help you. And they look like they're majority algos.
Well, a big block Algo just put a big block on at 67.20 and they just got filled.
Okay. Let me take this off so no one thinks I'm long. No, I'm flat. Lauren's flat, Tanner flat, everyone's flat. I'm up 171. That's all I got out of that was 171 on 3 accounts. It's like $600. All right, Randy, let's go, bro.
IB is going to set here in 6 minutes, 5 minutes. Let's go duck race.
15 minutes. I think why I'm not long is because anywhere in here, like this trend wants to probably continue lower. Anywhere in here is a lower high.
Can you draw a straight line on an angle on top of all those higher lows? Oh yeah, there you go. That's a nice trend.
I have a problem where I can't draw straight lines because then I feel like I'm Tory Trades, so I draw them like this.
I was trying to set you up.
Let's go, Randy. Tip it over, bro. 6,700, buddy. I want it for you. While you do that, let's do our duck race, everybody. Let's pull this duck race up. I gave you plenty of time to get into it today. We're 90 minutes into the stream. You know the deal. If you're here every Friday, we do these only for our ASFX TV people. You got to put your name on the list. Oh, we got a lot today. We got a lot. Do we have over 100? Nope. All right. Let's run it, boys. 10 seconds. Pick a duck. Pick a duck. Pick a duck. Oh, there's a lot of ducks.
Oh, God.
The hawk at the top.
Okay.
All right. So before we run this, the giveaway is a 50K instant funded account from Top One Futures. You see me trading these accounts on stream all the time. The Top One Futures Ignite accounts are what I'm trading. They're not available anymore. But I will tell you guys, a little birdie told me they may be coming back when we get closer to Black Friday. So if you like Ignite accounts, if you like instant funded accounts, Top One Futures is the place to go. You can use the discount code at the bottom of the screen. That'll save you some money. Tanner's got a code. Randy's got a code. Everybody's got codes. Make sure you use a code. Save yourself some money on your next challenge. Is the Doug going to win it?
Doug case.
Look at this guy. Happy to give it to you, Doug. Doug's going to take the 50K instant funded account. Really happy to give it to Strawberry Duck. It's very fitting that it's the Strawberry Duck for you, Doug.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
He's very in touch with his fruity side.
Dude, I literally was gonna guess strawberry, and then I got distracted before I guessed it. I swear.
You knew that was a strawberry? I didn't even fucking know that was a strawberry.
I was like, oh, there's a strawberry on the head.
Nice. Happy to give it to you, Doug. Doug, shoot me an email or a Discord. You know how to get me. Everybody will do it every Friday. Giveaways every Friday. I'm probably running another giveaway on Twitter next week too. So just look out. I know, trying to give you guys as many accounts as I can.
You're so kind, bro.
I'm trying, bro.
You remind me of Oprah.
You get an account.
You get an account. You get an account. You get an account.
Wait till you guys see my basement this week. I'm making a lot of progress this weekend. Gym's gonna be done real soon, boys. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. The thing that's gonna take the longest is the mirrors, believe it or not.
Interesting. Okay.
A month to 2 month for I'm getting like 4 6x8 mirrors installed, and they're like shatterproof and like they're nice, but glasses, it takes a long time to get. The way that this company does it, like they have a driver and a route and everything like that. So, but I'll have everything else. All right, so
Oh,
Randy,
that literally came right back to my entry, and then
I was gonna say, dude, look at that. Damn.
Oh, I just got to hold into it now.
No, I don't know if that's the mindset. I'm gonna put a long on here, buddy.
Are you buying the? You're buying it here? You wouldn't have bought it at the 15?
No, I'm gonna buy it here. The orders are coming on above at 30. It's just sitting here. Buyers, I mean, dude, you can't even get a candle underneath VWAP. Get a candle underneath VWAP, and I'll consider selling it again. Otherwise, I'm lucky I got green on my
Oh
short.
no, I just thought you would have bought it lower down off of VWAP.
Well, I think you got 3 minutes till this candle closes. When this starts to turn here, it's probably going to make a push into the 42s now. The 42 is the price we talked about before. I think my max profit on this account, because it's Ignite, is like $300 something, right? So like 43. Yeah, right to those orders.
Oh, and I'm just getting edged, and I'm out.
Sorry, Randy.
I'm still up 200 on the day.
Right in the prior day low here for Qs. SPY still has a little bit to go.
I timed that one perfectly. Look at that, right into profit. Go
Nice
finish this.
Austin the sniper.
Austin the sniper, dude.
I'm going to actually take 3 off and move this out of the way and see if we can get some more. Break even on that. So I get some green on that. See if it'll go a little more. See if it wants 50, bro. Fuck it. It's all buyers. Let's see if it'll go.
There's a lot of buyers.
It's a lot of buyers. And these orders below are not pulling hard enough to make, and it's like, you can see it's algo controlled, so it's probably fucking going to get pulled. Now, these above are not algo controlled. 50's hot, dude. Like 50's.
What you guys got planned for the weekend?
I told you I'm just finishing that basement. I got guys down there. Right, I have 3 dudes down there building cabinets right now and laying floor, and then I got another dude from another family, like friend, doing other flooring. So I just got a bunch of people helping out. Yeah, I've had like 15 people help me on this basement. It's awesome.
I'm going to see Subtronics tonight. It's going to rain.
Oh yes, nice, dude.
It'll be
Is
fun.
it an outdoor concert, obviously, then?
Yeah, it's at Petco Park in fucking San Diego.
Oh, that's sick. How long does it take to get down there?
Like a 2-hour drive?
No, it's like only about like an hour for me. Probably with the rain though, it's probably gonna be worse. But yeah, I'm doing that tonight, and I'm going sober, fully sober.
Right, you were saying that. Do you think like being in California and having to take road trips? I always think self-driving car. Do you think like ever like I should just have a Tesla because I live in California so it can drive me everywhere?
No, I just gotta think Tesla's kind of gay. I'd rather have a car that gets 13 miles a gallon.
I got a Tesla.
Yeah, it's kind of gay.
I had a Tesla.
Kind of gay.
Listen, I had a white Tesla Model Y. I loved it. Felt gay, but I loved it.
No, they're great. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just being silly.
No, dude, there's nothing more American than having a Ford F-150 black on black that guzzles 8 miles a gallon.
Right.
Dude, you know what? I fill up my truck. It's like $130 to fill it up with the plus. Dude, it's 700 miles to the fucking tank. I fill it up once. I filled up my truck since I bought it, like no joke, 2 or 3 times. That's it. I don't drive though.
I know you don't go anywhere.
I don't go nowhere.
Go?
I don't know. Everything gets delivered now. Where would I go? Leo,
where would you go?
It's crazy because I take him to the store and he loves it. He's like, I never get to come out here, Dad. You get it delivered.
I never get to come out here, Dad.
Like, take him to the toy store and he just sees all these toys. Like that's what we did on Friday night. I was like, let's just go to Target, let him see all the fucking toys. You know what I'm saying? Because he doesn't get to
juiced on that, dude.
He's juiced on it, bro.
So juiced on it.
Ah, he sees the big fucking dump truck. He's like, like the trunk. He fucking loves it, dude. Juiced about it. It's awesome.
That's awesome. Man, this action is just not.
Yeah.
It's not it, bro. It's really not it.
I took another contract off. So I had 5. Now I got 1. Last one. So I put 160 on this account, which will be equity highs again for this account. So it's good. This account went big drawdown, back up, big drawdown, now back up. and now we'll work our way downtown here. Yeah, 30 is getting hot. It's probably going to come back a little bit here.
We got Prior Day Low at Q's right here. I was going to try to reject. They're going to fight for sure, at least. So let's see if it ends up being. If we stay below Prior Day Low, still technically bearish. I'm just going to say that.
Mm-hmm.
But the way it's going to happen here, I don't think it's going to be as swift, just like we reject here and kind of cruise back down. They're going to do some fuckery around Prior Day Low. If this is going to happen, they're going to do some fuckery around Prior Day Low, overshoot it maybe, then bring it back in. So, or
so
just
sitting on Prior Day Low, right?
Yeah, or it's just going to consolidate here and then just rip higher, and everyone's like, "All right, well, that's it."
And
Phenomenal, yeah,
Prior Day Low's at 46.
It's a little shocking, honestly. I really didn't. I felt like they would want to bring it a little bit lower today before just ripping it higher. So, I'm still going to watch this YM. I have a feeling if we do get to low a day one more time, I will then short the low a day one more time. But only if we get all the way back there now because we're so high above.
Sure.
You know, it's the only way it would make sense for me.
I'm still in this long with this last contract. I'm going to try to take it to at least 67.50 on ES, but my stop is at entry at 28. Everybody.
Okay. Dude, you know what I'm going to do on Saturday?
What?
I'm just going to chill super hard and smoke joints while it's raining outside. Like I'll have my patio door open. It's going to be pouring rain. Just going to watch movies.
Dude. You sound so gay. Just
gonna
stop.
Watch movies. No, it's going to be chill as fuck, dude.
It is chill as fuck, but you don't have to like make it all cozy and shit. All right, dude.
It's gonna be cozy, bro. Okay, let me be cozy.
Let me get you a fuzzy. Let me put you in a snuggie, bro. I got on a coaching call with Owen yesterday, Randy, and he had a snuggie on. I'm like, bro, I haven't seen snuggies in a minute,
Snuggies,
bro. You know, like the full. It looks like you're wrapped in a blanket with a hood on it.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, oh, this dude is swagging, dude. He's comfortable.
The girls now have these like anxiety hoodies that weigh like 700 pounds. And they're like really heavy.
Hoodies.
Yeah, literally, they're supposed to be like make you like less anxious because they're so heavy. Apparently,
I don't even want to respond to that. Next topic.
Yeah.
It sounds, they're not called snuggies anymore. They're called
sounds
booties or
trendy.
something. They're called something else.
It sounds like having mental conditions are trendy.
Yeah, exactly, bro. It is exactly what it is.
That's what it is.
Thank you.
Bro.
Especially in California, dude. If your kid's not trans or retarded in California, you're like an outcast. You got to have some type of thing to identify
You cannot
yourself
be
as.
healthy. You cannot be healthy.
No, dude. God forbid Megan Fox, one of the hottest women in Hollywood. God forbid she have 3 straight children. God forbid. And a normal husband that stays and like helps raise the children. God forbid. Nope. Fuck the husband. All the kids are trans. Burn it all down. Crazy.
Oh god.
Owen, you in the chat, bro? Yep, Owen's here. You know what I'm talking about, Owen, with the snuggie. I didn't say shit about it because it's comfortable, bro. I'm comfortable. I'm in my Lululemon right now. You know what I mean?
Lulu.
Yeah. So Riley's friend works there at like the headquarters and gets like crazy discounts, bro. Crazy. Like, yeah, like this. There's like $100. This thing's $100, bro. The thing I'm wearing, we got it for like 40. That's what it should be paid. You know what I'm saying? You should be paying $40.
You know what fitness brand I'm seeing like a lot of?
What?
Like it's called Aloe.
Aloe. I knew you were gonna say aloe, bro.
Yeah, I've been seeing that a lot over here.
Yeah, it's popular.
I knew you were gonna say that shit, bro.
Bro,
$60 for a hat.
We're at the US Open, me and my brother. We were at the bar, and this girl comes up next to me, and Logan's on my left, and she's on my right. And my brother eyed her up quick, bro. So my brother's like, oh, yeah, she makes money. I'm like, what, bro? He's like, Cartier ring, Rolex watch, Aloe dress. I'm like, dude, what are you doing, bro? Like, stop, bro. Like, just stop. Like, stop ribbing, like, judging people like that off the jump. Dad didn't raise us like that. That's what I said to him.
Dad didn't raise us like
that.
No, dude. That's my private equity brother now, bro.
Private equity
Finance,
brother.
bro. Private equity, bro. He's like, oh, no, she can afford it. Whoa, dude.
That's hilarious.
In a second.
Does he make the women pay half on the date then? If he takes
probably. No, dude. You know what my brother did? You'd actually like this, Tanner. He just took his girl to Guatemala and they went hiking and stayed on the top of a fucking mountain, saw a volcano erupt. They slept in like a shack one night to catch this eruption. Yep. And they got it on video. It's sick.
That's fucking tight. Good for him, dude. Good for him doing that.
Yeah, he's balling. He's having fun.
Good.
He's like, he was talking to me. He's like, your ass wouldn't like it. I'm like, dude, I would for that experience, but like on the reg, I'm staying at the Four Seasons. Ask Randy. Like I'm on the reg, I'm staying at a nice hotel where I can wipe my ass and flush it. You know what I'm saying?
Your brother's fucking funny, dude.
He
Yeah.
is, dude. He is. He's been
hilarious.
so busy, you'd be, a little unhappy. He's laid off the ping pong bets.
Oh, dude, the fucking 3 a.m.
Yeah, he's out too much, bro. He's out doing blow with the
Yeah.
boys probably at the bar too much, and it's fucking up his bets.
Dude, well, that's what he should be betting the most.
Exactly, bro. That's what I
should be all
told him.
excited to bet the most, dude.
Thank you. He doesn't get it.
We should
though. He
have
doesn't
him do a panel on ping pong betting in Tampa.
Yeah.
Come up on stage. It'll be like a refresher.
No, we just set up a ping pong table in the back and let him hustle people.
Yeah, literally.
All right. Are we going to get a pop to 45 here for me? I mean, it's the craziest thing of the day is Delta is negative 12,000 and the market's going higher. It's the craziest. That's why Delta to me is like so fucking not important. You know, Randy? Like, look at it today. Negative 12,000. It's crazy.
I just hate all this consolidation. That's like, it just feels like it wants to drift higher. And then I think out of nowhere, it's just going to have a big dump, but it's going to be really hard to like even see a signal bar for it. It's just going to come out of nowhere. I feel like that's what's going to happen.
NQ is going to take previous day's point of control, which was basically those lows that it's reversed its whole overnight move almost.
I got ES new highs here.
Yeah, so ES this previous day low 746.
Yeah, PDL right here.
Where NQ
genuinely just don't like
that
today.
held it, now it went higher.
All right, I'm out on that. I'll take the 43. I think it goes to 45 or 50, but I got 235 on that. So new equity highs on this. Max profit on this is 375. So not bad. 2/3 of the way.
Oh,
Yeah.
Here's the rip on NQ.
I'm full out on the longs there, everybody, just to be clear. Full out on the long now. I still think it's going to 50, though. Bookmap says 50. Again, story of my life. Great reads this week, but I get out pretty early.
Mhm.
Okay, boys. Shall we wrap?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll full port off stream now.
Don't, Tanner. Don't call me later and tell me you full ported something.
you're only down 500 on the day. Just leave it at that, or
dude.
get a break even.
Thanks
That's
for joining
his
us.
evil laugh. That's
Dude,
his
as
evil
all-
laugh. You're going to do it anyway.
I know.
Lawrence, I always appreciate your insight, bro. Tanner, I appreciate you calling trades, doing your thing too. I know the audience loves it. So thank you guys, as always.
Absolutely. Always here.
Randy, I'm going to stay on for a minute and go over the trades from the week. Do you want to stay? Or you
Yeah, I'm
leaving?
good. I got nowhere to be.
Tanner, talk to you this weekend, buddy. Enjoy your concert.
Cheers,
Lawrence,
boys.
have a good weekend, buddy.
Two.
So you staying, Randy? Sorry.
Yeah.
Did you say? Yeah. Cool. So everybody, we're let's stay for a few more minutes. Just go over the trades from the week real quick. Take a quick look at the trades from today, especially. Just want to, I think there's some confusion sometimes with everybody trading at the same time. So I just want to go over everything and we can highlight what Randy maybe saw, what I saw, and so on and so forth. So second trade of the day here. I was long here, 67.28. Let me move this to the back. And then out of the trade at 43, which is right here, 43. So it was probably this candle right there. And we, like we said, 45 and 50 are probably going to fill here, but that's okay. It's a nice second win. So first trade of the day today, just to be clear. And then if you have any questions, please tell me. First trade of the day was short here off overnight VWAP with a nice good stop in it, trying to trade back to overnight to New York VWAP. Back meaning back down. That trade, the longer I'm stuck in it here, starts to get shittier and shittier risk reward as time goes on. But what I did well was I stuck to the thesis of having to close some of the trade when trading back to New York VWAP. You got to do something when you get back to that VWAP, no matter how good the risk reward is, because if we've been above it, we're probably going to bounce off of it. So I think the exit and the stop loss on the first trade today are the key to get to those 7 points. Then we like the longs here. We like the longs here. If yesterday's VWAP or overnight VWAP is not there, you love this for longs, right? If I take that away, Randy, and we just look at it like this,
Yeah.
it looks beautiful for longs where I get out of my short. Beautiful. So then I end up finally joining the party here. Timing was good. Caught 28 up to 43. And that's the second trade. That's it. And it's using Bookmap, finding those heavier levels to trade to. So if you don't have Bookmap, there's a link in my bio. There's a link down description. I recommend getting it. They're probably doing a Black Friday sale, so you could stay and wait for that. But Bookmap is really guiding the way on a lot of these trades, everybody. It really is. So I'd recommend you get it and start watching it. It helps me a ton. But I think the key of this week, if we just look at some of the trades from this week, it's staying on the right side of VWAP. Look at this trade pre-market on the right side of overnight VWAP. The long here with the proper stop loss on the right side of the VWAP. You make money. The short here yesterday paid so well on the right side of VWAP. I show you way more trades where I'm trading with the VWAP rather than against it where I'm making money. Look, we're above it. We bounce off it. I make money long. It's not a coincidence. Here again, short first trade, 84 to 78, winner. Short second trade, 81 to 73, winner. What's the commonality? I'm on the right side of the VWAP. One of the only trades you could say maybe we weren't fully was the long yesterday because it was just breaking above it after being below it. But with the proper stop, this trade idea still has fair ground. You put the stop at the session low, like we talk about in Futures 2.0, and you trade that to opening range high. But I can keep going. Again, one trade here, and it's a shitty small little win fighting the VWAP, and it's tough, right? Fighting the VWAP, not a big breadwinner for me. Go back to Tuesday. Overnight trade. In the session trade, fighting VWAP. Look, quick little wins. Those fighting the VWAP trades are harder to win. And then we started trading with VWAP. We lost. This was on Tuesday. And then the second trade, trading the range Tuesday, which is really the only day you want to be fighting VWAP. We were trading with top of range, similar to today, made the money back. And then Monday, which was the day where took some losses, this one, trading with VWAP, or excuse me, I was short into the open and I lose. I'm fighting the overnight VWAP. Overnight VWAP is moving higher and I'm short up here trying to get it back down and I lose. So when you fight that overnight VWAP, there's two of my losses this week. Was fighting overnight VWAP. This one luckily worked. Short on the right side of VWAP with a proper stop. This one paid. So still trying to get on the right side of VWAP. This one, buying it down here, getting stopped out down here. How terrible is that? That's my worst trade of the week right there. Awful. Not even off overnight VWAP. Just random buy and then getting stopped out at max loss. It's terrible. What am I doing here? I'm fighting the fucking New York VWAP for no reason. I should just click sell. Even if it's that far away from the VWAP, you're still better off trading on the right side of the VWAP, the New York VWAP. Is that clear to everybody? Can I stop now? Like, that's all. I can go more, but do you see it? Like, trading with the VWAP is going to make probabilities shift in your favor. Are you going to win all of them? No, you're not going to win them all, but you shift the probabilities in your favor. That's what we're going for. If I can get a yes in the chat, I'll be happy and I'll shut up and we can wrap up for the week. But we got 50 here. 67.50 has been touched. So the longs were good.
Nice trading today. Very nice trading today.
Thanks. Okay. So the game plan then, everybody. We did our giveaway. Doug won the giveaway. We'll do it again next Friday. We're live on Monday. Back with a full week. More trading, more action. If you're green today, if you're green this week, lock it out and don't even look at charts the rest of the day. It's not worth your time. We got plenty more days to trade. Go outside, hang out with your family. Randy, go take some cold medicine.
I'm going back to bed.
Go back to bed, and we do it again on Monday. Mike said, Randy, how do you say you check your trailing drawdown with TPT?
So on your, do I have I don't know if I can pull up Tradeovate to show you this.
See if you can pull it up for him.
Mike, do you want to send me a DM and I can show you exactly how to do it? Let me see if I can pull this up for you. I'm just trying to think which accounts will have that. Because I'm not trading anything on Tradeovate at the moment, but I will be soon here. Let me see if this, yeah. So can you share my screen, Austin?
Yeah.
So in Tradeovate, when you're on TPT, Apex, whatever it is, down at the bottom, I have accounts. And then on this, I have another one that I added another set of accounts to. If you just open this, but if you go to settings and you select columns, there's a whole bunch of columns on this side. And I have dollar open P&L, distribution, drawdown, and drawdown auto liquidate level. And so when I'm in a trade, it'll show me all three of these levels in these three columns here. And it'll basically show your drawdown. It'll show you where you'll get liquidated, like where you'll lose the account based on the trailing drawdown. And then obviously what's open. I hope that helped. Like I said, but if you want, DM me. I can see if I can help you find something. Like I saw a video on how to do that. So,
Okay.
Hopefully, I don't know if that explained it, Austin. Did it look okay on your end when you watched it?
Yeah.
But it just basically it's gonna show you three figures. It's gonna show you how much drawdown you have. It's gonna show you the exact amount before you lose the account, like as your balance, your max loss raises as you're in a trade. So
my markup's on screen. Mike said he's got it, so we're good there. 67.60 previous day VWAP reached. So again, another good day trading from overnight VWAP back to previous day VWAP. A lot of good markups this week, everybody. A lot of good lessons. So make sure you pop in the Discord, check those out. I'll put the Discord link in the chat. Again, next week, we're going to be looking to fill a few spots in the weekly coaching program. We'll be talking about that starting on Monday. So if that's of interest to you, don't be late because those spots will fill up. Randy, have a good weekend, buddy. Rest up.
cheers. Cheers, everyone. Everybody. Thanks, guys.